I can share. Actually, I can't find
please.
too many. I don't know.
The main one, the main which you feel is really like, not all sex. The most
one, it's
prominent one,
Actually, it happened in school. Once at school, my phone rang 6 times.
Okay.
I was not present there. Two of my colleagues were present there, and it was an important, call. Somebody was calling me up. It rang 6 times.
Okay.
But nobody bothered to give me the phone. And lastly, one of my colleagues came and gave me the phone, and I saw there were 6 missed calls.
Okay.
So I didn't thank her. I said, you should have given me the phone earlier. So she got upset. So it was a bit unusual situation. And finally I thought, okay, I should have thanked her. At least she gave me the phone. Then I said, okay, I'm sorry you gave me the phone. And I could have said her nicely, okay, you should have given, at least she gave me the phone. But
basically this situation has changed helped you changing your attitude. Seeing not seeing the negative part of the thing, seeing the positive part.
Though it was a very important call, 6 times the person called me. After 6 times they have given me the
but
still I should have had.
Great. Anyone else? I think Aarti, you wanted to share something.
Yeah, I know this is easy to share.
Yes.
We went for a holiday to Kashmir with a bunch of friends and family. So initially there was like this big effervescence of feeling very important and wanted. But then somewhere along the line, I think that was the positive change. And the negative change was, somewhere you were feeling a little betrayed by the indifference or whatever. So it was like a mixed emotions. So the expectations, I think, probably leads to a bit of negativity every day.
But any change which you found because of that situation?
Yeah.
Any positive or any negative change in your own persona?
No, I both loved and hated them. I loved them at some point.
I think the take home value is accept the people the way they are.
Yeah. And not everybody can be on your yardstick and temperature all the time.
Absolutely. No two people can be on the same, radar.
And believe me, to believe that they all mean well at the end of the day is not easy. But
Each one has their own story to tell, each one has their own perception. So fine. Go and read them and try to see that what are the positive changes and negative changes were there. If there are negative ones, anyone wants to share a negative change? Because it happens, the negative, please.
Death of my father.
Okay.
He was suffering from acute depression and had lost all worldly desires. Acceptance was all I could do. I read books on life after death and changed my view on life and death. And negative, I was too sad to actually show my feelings, and I feel and felt a void in my life.
So the ultimate change would be like any change you feel?
Accident for only thing I have very much changed.
Okay. Fine. Sometimes people change for negative also. I think everyone has shared a positive change. Somebody has changed attitude, somebody has started accepting the situation, somebody has started accepting the people the way they are. The negative changes that can be like, if very simple, a very basic example I will give you, if I see her, I have not spoken to her, so now the situation is that the negativity coming to me. So no positive change. The negative change will be next time you come in front of me, I also will ignore you. Most of the time, very innocently we do it, but we do it, Somebody has asked you for some favor and you have done that favor, but when your time comes, you have asked the same person for the favor. What happened? You got rejected, and then you have got the changes there, the negative changes there. Okay, I am not, never ever going to ask that. Very strongly we tell our minds, never ever go, I am going to beg or ask her that, how could she have refused me? So, now comes the problem. I don't want to change. Many people, they say very firmly, very convincingly. There is so much this thing about it. I don't want to change. I am happy the way I am. So, do you think it is okay?
It's common with everyone. Nobody wants to change, but they want to change the other one.
Yes, that is always true. Changing yourself is most important. than changing the world, because as it is you can't change the world, so better change yourself. And you know why you can't change yourself? Because it's more difficult. Changing others is very easy. Because you are not changing them, you are just, blabbering your anger, your frustration, so you are not doing anything. And when you do something, it's a problem. It's like teaching pranayam is so easy if I verbally say it, but doing it requires a lot of practice. So similarly, saying things, changing others is very easy. We tell people, they don't change. That is always the final outcome. They will never change till they want to change. So when we say I don't want to change, is it a negative? It sounds like a negative statement or a positive statement? It is negative also.
It is
but
untrue
can be,
because
yeah,
you are changing.
it can be positive also. Some people, they are so sorted out. They are so sorted out, they say, I'm okay the way I am. I don't want to change. But I feel this is my personal thing. There is always a scope of change, of betterment in all of us. Whether we are at 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. There is always, whether it is mental faculties, whether it is physical faculty, anywhere we can always work for that 1% change. It's like, knowledge. Knowledge is endless. Can anyone say, nah, I know a lot about this thing? No, there is always a scope for this. So what do we do when people have this strong resistance that I don't want to change? How do we tackle it?
But this is just for saying, everybody is changing.
No, some people, this is more applicable to, I think we all are at a little higher level. It happens to children also. Most of the time, the kids have this problem. I don't want to change.
Even elders.
Elders
Sometimes,
also.
they are
I have a question.
set
What
in
brings this rigidity? Like when people say I don't want to change for good or for bad.
Yeah.
What is the degree? The degree varies. Some people are little resistant initially, then they'll think about it, introspect, and then they'll change. But some people will stick to it so firmly that I really don't want to change. What is that degree? Why is that variation?
Variation is the personality difference, Some people, they want to try. It's all about introspection. If I feel I'm okay with what I am doing, I'm okay. And what feedback others are giving, I'm not taking
Not
that.
bothered, huh?
I'm not bothered. I'm living my own life. I'm happy about it. And if somebody is giving and telling me that you really get angry, please work on your anger, I'm okay. अगर कोई गलत करेगा तो मैं बोलूँगी नहीं. I don't even think about that. This applies to the people who are really self-obsessed. They are self-content also. They are happy. They don't understand that what kind of environment they are creating around. The sufferers are the people who are around them. So, can you do anything to change them? Nothing.
Why not?
Believe me.
What acts as a catalyst to such people?
Uh,
What can bring about the change?
A change in your own temperament, a change in the way you tackle that person. For example, if someone is angry and shouting at me, fine, so what do? Someone is throwing things at me, fine. Somebody is breaking this, nahi sunna meri baat, thata. So what do? Will you start breaking the objects? Of course not. But some people, they do it. Will you just, walk down, or will you just, you will be very angry. What you will be doing? It's a tough situation to handle. You will, first of all, you will be calm. You will show your stern face. You will show a stern body language. But you will emit with love. If you are fighting with someone, that doesn't mean that you don't love that person. We say that so much, right? Na? You must be hating 100 habits of your children, of your spouse, of your sister, of your sibling. But you hate them at the end of the day.
No.
Do you wish anything wrong for them? No, nothing. So what's the big hassle between it? And okay, you are angry, fine. Anger is a part of that person. The people who get angry, we have to accept those persons like that. First of all, again, that acceptance thing comes. Accept the person the way they are. Once you start accepting them, don't think. Some people say that if I start accepting them, so second time 5 things more will be broken. Some people say that, maybe I am giving.
No, but then breaking thing is that person's problem. Why are we so obsessed
No,
with
some
changing
people, if
somebody
two people
else?
are having a fight, for example, we are very close to each other. I am upset about something and I am banging my mobile, I am absolutely not in my control. So what happens? Of course you will be upset.
No, I'm just saying
Upset
on
and
Swati's point that why this whole approach or attitude to want to change something. I mean, why can't we just like spend that time on
But
that
she
self?
asked
But
a
if
very
you see your
valid thing.
children throwing things, won't you
Yeah.
want to change them?
She said, how as a catalyst
No, but
we can
children throwing things, and there is like, but why? I mean, I'm going to try and change
The habit.
myself.
That's what I'm
on
saying.
the habit.
That's
Why
why
am I
I
trying to
that's the change I'm talking
If my
about.
husband gets up early and I don't like it, so it's okay, no? I mean, like, why am I getting so obsessed
See,
about
that's
getting-
the-
As,
There's
as a
a
society,
difference.
this is a very valid point which you both are debating, and I am happy that at least people are speaking up. This is something she very rightly pointed out. As a cat, sometimes you want to help people. It's a genuine wish. For example, if my husband gets angry, and I know he's a very nice person, very good person, but there is anger. These anger moments are there in him,
Yeah.
which is affecting me, which is affecting his work. So what do I do? I want to help that person. I don't want to change that.
Yeah, exactly. That's
The difference is
But
between
then
the
she
two.
has still bringing the change.
Hoping is another thing, but I cannot change him as a person.
No,
Why
but
Nobody
not
can
change the
change
person.
anyone.
Not
That
the
is
person.
why would I
He
even
has to
want
realize that he
that
wants
is
to
the
have
law
a
number
family.
one.
Bring in the realization.
No, but
Yeah, that's what
you
I'm
know,
trying to actually ask.
this might
Yeah,
happen that
this
if
is-
you are quiet for a few times, like when the other person is angry, and you stay quiet in front of that person, you stay calm in front of that person, maybe he'll do it once or twice,
Yeah,
maybe he
yeah.
realizes
Exactly,
himself.
that's what I mean.
Because have you realized that people who do these things, have you ever realized that they are not happy at the end of the day?
Yeah.
They want to change it. They are the sufferers. So have that kind of compassionate view on that he is a sufferer. People who are into addictions, maybe it can be anger addiction, it can be any kind of addiction, any wrong habit. So people who are into addiction, they are not to be rebuked, they are not to be rebuffed. They are to be helped. So the thing is, helping is the right word.
If that is the approach, it's okay. But
Yeah,
most
yeah.
of the time we want to change the
No,
person because it
of
suits
course.
better to
I
our
think at
temperament.
Godash we all understand that we cannot change.
Yeah, and why should we
And why should we try to change
to
people?
make it more compatible?
We can help
to
people.
change your kids if they're doing something like
You cannot change
not
them. You
change
can help them.
them.
You can
It's a
realize
realize
habits in them.
Absolutely.
You cannot change. You cannot change.
Cannot
The
change.
condition. You know how you can basically what kind of fertilizer you are putting in? Raising of the child is like that. What kind of the seed is there, but how do you air them? How do you, which we don't know, you know.
We just want the
We
result.
just want a very beautiful ripe fruit. अब उसमें अंदर में कितनी बार हवा लगा है, धूप हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. Maybe the day he wanted the sunshine, you were out somewhere. Maybe he really wanted. So there are these small points. So where we have reached now, we were here. I don't want to change. So you have to introspect yourself. You know. Why I say this? I don't want to change. It can be corrected. Introspection means the change which is required, is it in tangent with my basic values? This is a very big challenge. It's a very like, I'm coming to more deeper issues. Sometimes we have to change and we don't want to change. And when we introspect, we realize that this is not what I seek in life. This is not what I want in my life. This is not what is my basic values in life. So how do you tackle this? This is so important stuff. I'm not talking about the small changes. I'm here talking about very big changes.
What do you mean by basic values?
Tell me what are our basic values? Our basic,
Beliefs.
our beliefs.
What to be.
Our beliefs. Very nice.
Food
Our
habits
beliefs.
also. The change that is required as
Very simple guy. I'll give you a very crude example. If my daughter is a lesbian, fine. So now this is mindset. Now this is the big things I'm talking about. Somebody wants to be in a living relationship, a child. So what do you do now? I don't want to change. You have to accept what I think is right. So now, what do you do? What happens now? How do you tackle this? How these kind of changes, they affect you, and how do you tackle them? Go to your basic belief system, go to your basic values, do a self-check, and keep on working on them. Beliefs can never be like, this is my belief, so this will be my belief till I die. The people who keep on working their beliefs, believe me, they are the happiest people. 1 month, Or maybe 5 years back my belief was that how can somebody live with somebody? Fine. Gradually with the time, with the things happening around me, maybe, then I work on my belief that it's happening. For example, just think about the intercaste marriage. Earlier they were like big, a big ban, like, how can anyone marry somebody from, now what has happened?
Yeah, and simple examples like menstruating cycles. People earlier never used to enter the kitchen, and so there were so
Yes.
many other foundations culturally. But now I think people are.
So this is, imagine I am talking here about the big changes which is happening in society.
Can we increase the temperature?
So these are also the changes we are accepting, and if we are not accepting that there is something wrong with the belief system, please keep on changing, keep on checking your belief system. Don't
Yes.
fight with this, I don't want to change, I don't want to change, I don't want to change. It's very difficult. If you are a non-alcoholic person, absolutely there is alcohol. If your child gets into some kind of chemical dependency, what do? You will throw him out. I don't want to change. This is my basic value. So you go out of the house. Again, work on your belief that things are happening. I have to work on them. I have to help my child.
No, but then you can't accept at that moment that my child is drinking.
You have to accept that now the harm is done.
Yeah.
That is accepting the situation. You can't accept that, okay, fine, he is depending on the chemicals, so let him. You can't accept the situation only. Sometimes we don't even try to hide. We are such big, problem maker ourselves. We are so scared of society that if the problem lies within our house, we don't want to
Disclose it.
we don't want to disclose it as well as we don't want to rectify it also.
I think so.
Shh. It's like shh.
So
We're not talking about it.
denial. You're in actual
Denial,
denial that something
100% denial. वो नहीं ठीक हो जाएगा, थोड़ा सा है, देखती हूँ, करती हूँ. Yes, so true, so true.
Even I.
Say it loudly, very
Defense
good.
mechanism is on all the
Yeah,
time.
correct.
You are wearing a mask yourself.
Yeah. A very fine example would be when somebody is engaged to somebody and they find out, stuff which they are not comfortable with. Very easily the family says, okay, adjust karo, ho jayega. So it's very simple.
Still all
but very
this is happening in our society. Lot of things, We tell our girls to adjust. होता ही है. Depending is a thing is that introspect, see the whole situation. अगर actual में there is some problem, so why you cannot break that engagement? Why you cannot break that marriage? Why you cannot? If there is a big problem there. If there are small problems, then that is a different case altogether. That marriage is a dying institution and a lot of work has to be done in that aspect on the children. That's a very different topic.